Welcome to the third episode of Module 4 of our complete English masterclass on capital markets and securities. We have set up the conceptual case for inflation-linked bonds and we have walked through the mechanics. Today we get to the pricing math. We will derive the pricing formula for a CPI-linked bond from first principles, work through a complete numerical example by hand, and connect the result back to the conventional bond pricing math from Module 2. The good news is that the math is not new. We will use the same time value of money tools we have been using all along. The new wrinkle is just that we work in real terms throughout, using a real discount rate and real cash flows. By the end of this episode you will be able to price any inflation-linked bond just as confidently as you priced conventional bonds in Module 2. Section 1. The pricing question, in real or nominal terms. Before we price a linker, we have to decide which world we are in. We can compute the price either in nominal terms, discounting the expected nominal cash flows including expected inflation, or in real terms, discounting the actual contractual real cash flows at the real yield. Both approaches give the same answer. The real terms approach is simpler and is the standard in practice. In real terms, the bond's contractual cash flows are completely deterministic. A 2% real coupon pays 2% of the inflation-adjusted principal at every coupon date, by contract. There is no inflation uncertainty in real terms. So we discount these certain real cash flows at the certain real yield demanded by the market. The result is the real yield price of the linker. Section 2. The linker pricing formula. The pricing formula for an inflation-linked bond in real terms looks almost identical to the conventional bond pricing formula. Price equals the sum across periods of the real coupon divided by 1 plus the real yield to the t, plus the real principal divided by 1 plus the real yield to the n. The only differences from the conventional formula are that we use real cash flows and a real yield. In notation, P real equals sigma C real over 1 plus y real to the t, plus F real over 1 plus y real to the n. Notice that there is no inflation term in this formula at all. That is the point. By working in real terms, we have isolated the inflation problem to the cash flow definitions, and the discount mathematics is pure. Section 3. A worked example, the setup. Let us price a real 10-year linker with a 2% annual real coupon on a $1,000 face value, with the market demanding a real yield of 1.5%. The contractual real cash flows are simple. $20 of real coupon every year for 10 years, plus $1,000 of real principal in year 10. We discount each of these at the real yield of 1.5%. 20 divided by 1.015 equals 19.704. 20 divided by 1.015 squared equals 19.413. And so on for 10 years. The final cash flow of $1,020 in year 10, 20 real coupon plus 1,000 real principal, is divided by 1.015 to the 10th, which equals 1.16. So the final cash flow's present value is $879.31. Section 4. Summing the present values. Adding up all 10 years of discounted cash flows gives us the real price of the linker. The real coupon stream contributes about $183. The real principal contributes about $861. Total real price equals $1,044.97. The linker is trading at 104.497% of real face value. It is at a real premium. Why? Because the real coupon of 2% is above the real yield of 1.5%. Just as with conventional bonds, if the coupon exceeds the yield, the bond trades at a premium. The same three states apply to linkers. Real coupon equals real yield gives real par. Real coupon above real yield gives real premium. Real coupon below real yield gives real discount. Section 5. Translating the real price back to nominal. The real price we computed is the price in terms of the original face value before any inflation adjustment. To convert to a quoted nominal price, we apply the cumulative inflation index. If the bond has been outstanding for 1 year of 3% inflation, the inflation-adjusted face is $1,030. The nominal price is the real price times the inflation index ratio. So a real price of 104.497% times 1.03 equals 107.632% of original face. This is what the bond would trade at, in nominal dollar terms, 1 year after issuance, if real yields were unchanged. Practitioners quote linkers in real terms for clarity. The nominal dollar amount you pay depends on the realized inflation between issuance and today. Section 6. Comparing linker price to nominal bond price. Let us compare our linker to a conventional 10-year bond with a 4% nominal coupon and a market nominal yield of 3.5%. The conventional bond, discounting nominal cash flows of $40 per year and $1,000 at maturity, at 3.5%, gives a price of about 104.21%. The linker, in real terms, gave us 104.497%. The two are roughly equal in this scenario, but they will diverge as inflation expectations move. The conventional bond is fully exposed to inflation surprises. The linker is fully protected. The market reflects this in the pricing. The spread between nominal and real yields equals the break-even inflation rate, which we will study in detail in Episode 5 of this module. Section 7. Real yield sensitivity. Linker prices respond to changes in real yields just as conventional bond prices respond to changes in nominal yields. If the real yield rises by 1%, a 10-year linker price falls by approximately 10%, the same modified duration relationship. Real yields move with real interest rate dynamics, with monetary policy expectations, and with risk appetite. They are less volatile than nominal yields because they exclude the inflation expectation component. But they do move. An investor in linkers needs to track real yield movements just as an investor in nominal bonds tracks nominal yield movements. The hedge against inflation in linkers is real, but the price still fluctuates day to day with real yields. Section 8. Why this all matters. The pricing math for linkers tells us something profound. Once we work in real terms, all the conventional bond pricing intuitions transfer directly. Premium and discount, pull to par, duration, modified duration, every concept from Module 2 applies with real terms substituted for nominal. This is the elegance of the structure. By isolating inflation into the cash flow definitions, we make the pricing math identical to the conventional case. For a working investor, this means you do not need to learn new bond math to handle linkers. You just need to think in real terms. Real coupon, real yield, real principal, real price. The vocabulary changes. The mathematics does not. Conclusion. Linker pricing is conventional bond pricing in real terms. The formula has the same shape as the nominal formula, with all components in real terms. A worked example shows a 2% real coupon linker at a 1.5% real yield trading at a small real premium. The real price translates to a nominal price via the cumulative inflation index. Linker prices are sensitive to real yields with the same modified duration relationship as conventional bonds to nominal yields. The deep insight is that all of Module 2's intuition transfers directly, just with real substituted for nominal. In Episode 4 of Module 4 we step back and compare linkers to conventional nominal bonds in detail, looking at when each is the better investment. If you found this episode useful, please share it and subscribe to Capital Markets and Securities with Michael for the full 48-episode course.